Welcome to the Parkinson's exercise class in Glendale, which is in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a class of multi-levels of Parkinson's patients, and we're working all different kinds of skills in this class. This is Allie, our instructor, and as you can see, we did an outdoor class today. Parkinson's disease requires a lot of coordination when we're working with them in an exercise setting. A lot of balance, posture mechanics, core, and as you can see as I walk through, we have some of these agility ladders. And then we've got one guy doing the wheel of torture, which is for abs. Wall push-ups over here. We're making real use of the outdoors. We have a little coordination drill down here with the cones. It's looking really good. And she's picking things up, learning how to bend with her hips, not with her knees. And then we got Peggy over here and Hank, and they're doing a little coordination drill. Come join us in Glendale for Parkinson's exercise.